You. Okay, that's the Zim Hip Hop Awards. But when you get to this other point of like, they already, have you noticed? I don't think you should be like.
I think Saint is just being nice. I think what it was he didn't want those awards to use him to give credibility to the other nominees.
That's the all like that's the other thing too, and also it's like, okay, unonditora wondimhanyisa na wondisa muresi na Baga, wondisa muresi na Blink 4, wondisa muresi na Holy 10, alright, foot, wondisa muresi na Michael Magz. Alright. When it comes to like the real music structure, okay, you can't compare me with Michael Magz. Okay, not because maybe I've done so much better or what. No. But maybe just with the time. I saw there is something that's called time when it comes to music. Okay, in Nini for me, I can't go and stand up to like Wingy D and say, Wingy D, I'm your father. Okay, why? It's just me respecting the time. This guy has been in the game for so long. Okay. So no matter what he was doing at that time, trust me, that's the most relevant things that was needed for that time. So now it's my time, I've come in. So what I am doing is relevant for my time, starting from my time, going upward to wherever I'm going to end. Okay? But so Big Man has done something for the last, like the past 10 years. So for that 10 years, I wasn't there. There was Wingy D, okay, saying something. There was Ja Praiser doing something. Yeah. And you know what? That time when people would like to say music, they would talk. I would even talk about Ja Praiser. I would even talk about Wingy D. Though I know from the inside, I need not to roll, but no, it's not yet my time. It's not yet my space to like say something out and then people get it. So you see, so getting to that point, now it's my time. I cannot go disrespect those guys because trust me, when it was their time, they played their part and they played their part right. Okay, for us to get to this point now, we have you. So what you have to do, Saintfloew, play your part also so that the next generation can get to say, oh, there was Saintfloew and Saintfloew played his part right. So that's the thing.
I like that. So who do you regard as worthy competition in hip-hop?
Competition in hip-hop?
Yeah. Who's your top three? I'm sure you are in your top three. Who are the other two? Give me a top three.
1 Saintfloew, yes. 2 Saintfloew, 3 Saintfloew. And then we start maybe from number 5. Number 5 we say, who's this guy?
Saintfloew. When you talk of hip-hop, right? When you talk of Zim hip-hop, there's no way you're not going to talk of Holy 10. There's no way you're not going to talk of Saintfloew.
If I talk about Zim hip-hop,
there's no way you're not going to talk about Volts JT.
If I talk about Zim hip hop,
so automatically we have a top 3.
I know,
which is almost agreed with almost everybody.
No,
no.
When we talk about Zim hip hop, okay, you can't forget the top 3. Okay, yes, there is a top 3 in Zim hip hop. But when we talk about hip hop, when we talk about music itself, hip hop as a genre, just as a genre itself. Because Zim hip hop is like a baby born from hip hop. And then now we put in something that's Zimbabwean, so we're saying it's Zim hip hop. Right. Okay? Yeah. But then when we talk about hip hop itself, that's the biggest genre, that's the umbrella genre. Oh, trust me, we're going to talk about Saintfloew, and then Benna Boy somewhere. I'm being for real.
What you got to say to that, Nash?
No, I've got some questions that I want to ask him.
Okay.
So who would you pick, Tammy or Amara?
Tammy or Amara? I would pick Tammy.
Ja or Winky?
I'll pick both.
No, if you pick one.
I'll pick Wingy.
Madam Boss or My Titi?
Jesus Christ, I don't know about those guys.
Okay, Baga or Bling?
Baga or?
Bling.
I'll take Baga. I'll take Baga.
Volts or Holy 10?
I'll take my own boy. I'll take my own boy. Votes JT.
Makandiwa or Magaya?
Makandiwa or Magaya? Oh no. I'm a Christian. So I mean Christians that means go choose. I choose. I'll take both.
I don't have to take one.
I have to take one. Yeah. Jesus Christ! Why do I have to take one?
Oh, they're not gonna call him for a show. If he picks the wrong one, I noticed. What's his name? Holy was performing at Jubit Angels Church.
Yeah.
The other time.
But
so I broke his back.
No. I've performed.